Changing your subscription on RingCentral is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the RingCentral website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have administrative privileges to make changes to the subscription. Step 2. Navigate to the admin portal. Once logged in, locate the admin portal. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Click on it to access subscription settings. Step 3. Select Billing and Subscription. In the admin portal, find the section labeled Billing or Subscription. Click on this option to view your current plan and available upgrades or downgrades. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the available subscription options. Select the plan that best meets your needs. Make sure to check the features and pricing to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your RingCentral subscription will be updated according to your selection. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to RingCentral support for assistance.